Why try app-based breathing exercises?
App-based breathing exercises are an accessible way to manage anxiety and boost mental well-being. These guided tools, found in mental health and meditation apps, help users slow down their breathing, focus their mind, and learn calming techniques. They are designed for beginners and experienced users alike, making support available whenever anxiety arises.
Choosing the right app for you.
When selecting a breathing exercise app, consider features such as guided audio or visual instructions, customizable session lengths, and progress tracking. Popular options like Calm, Headspace, and Breathwork offer reliable guidance. Look for an app that fits your preference for voice or silence, simplicity or detailed feedback, and that works smoothly on your device.
Setting up your guided breathing routine.
Begin by downloading your chosen app and creating an account if needed. Explore the app's menus for a section on breathing exercises or anxiety reduction. Many apps let you choose the duration, pace, and style, such as box breathing, 4-7-8 breathing, or mindful breathing. Adjust these settings to match your comfort and schedule.
Customizing and scheduling sessions.
Personalize your experience by setting reminders within the app for regular sessions. Customize audio, background sounds, or coaching voices as available. Whether you prefer morning, evening, or stressful moments, configuring the app's notifications can help integrate breathing practice into daily life and make it a lasting habit.
Tips for getting the most benefit.
To maximize benefits, practice breathing exercises in a quiet, comfortable space. Stay consistent, but don't be discouraged by missed sessions. Use the app's progress insights, if available, to track improvements over time. Guided breathing is a proven method for reducing anxiety, and using an app makes it simple to access whenever you need support.